In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add banner in Behance. If you want your profile to make a strong first impression, your banner is the large header image that sets the tone. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a new banner or replace an old one. Adjust it so it looks great, and save your changes with confidence. Start by opening the Behance website and navigating to your profile. Once you are signed in, head to your profile page where your banner area sits at the top. If you don't have a banner yet, look for the option labeled Add a Banner Image. Click it, and your computer's file picker will pop up. Choose an image that represents your style or brand, something wide, clear, and visually cohesive with your work. If you already have a banner in place, simply hover your cursor over it and click Update to replace it with a new file. After you select your image, Behance will open an editor so you can position it. Use the zoom slider to scale the image in or out, and click and drag to place it exactly where you want it. Keep important elements toward the center to avoid accidental cropping at the edges. If your image looks blurry when zoomed in, try a higher resolution version or zoom out slightly to preserve clarity. Think about how the composition reads at a glance: a clean focal point, enough breathing room around any text or logo, and colors that clash with your profile content. Take a moment to fine-tune. Nudge the image up or down to frame it just right. If you are unsure, step back for a second and imagine what visitors will see in the first second on your profile. A simple, strong composition almost always wins over something too busy. If the file won't upload, double-check that it's a standard format like JPG or PNG and not excessively large. When you are happy with the positioning, click Done to apply the changes. Your banner will update across your profile, and you should see it appear immediately. If something's not quite right, don't worry, you can hover over the banner again. Choose Update and keep refining until it feels perfect. Remember, your banner can evolve along with your portfolio, so revisit it from time to time to keep things fresh and aligned with your latest work. That's it. Thanks for watching.